We completed up to secondary growth. Now we will come to the last two chapters in first year, plant ecology and plant genetics. In these two chapters, you will definitely get 3 to 4 bits. We all know ecology is, oikos means home, ology is study of. Ecology is the study of living and non-living things living together. A close inseparable relationship between abiotic and biotic components is ecology. The term ecology was coined by Rater. A perfect definition for ecology was given by Haeckel. Later, Odum and Warming, many people conducted extensive research works and proposed several concepts. Ecology is the study of plants and relationship with environment, animals in relationship with environment. Ecology is divided into plant ecology and animal ecology. In plant ecology, we discuss different concepts, organizations like population, community, ecosystem, biosphere and other concepps. Then we discuss about plant communities, that is hydrophytes. Plant communities are classified into 3 categories based on their relationship with water by warming. Hydrophytes growing in water, xerophytes growing in arid conditions, mesophyte in intermediate climatic conditions. In hydrophytes, we discuss classification. In xerophytes, we discuss classification. In hydrophytes and xerophytes, we discuss morphological and anatomical adaptations. That is the chapter of ecology. In this ecology, we come to several concepts by discussing some important bits regarding this chapter. The first one. Choose the correct statement from the following. In Eichhornia, root modification is absent. It is not correct. It is incorrect because in Eichhornia, roots are balancing roots. Irenchyma is not present in all the hydrophytes. It is also wrong because without Irenchyma, hydrophytes cannot survive. For example, hydrophytes are the best group of plants where Erenchyma is definitely present. Nymphea plant has contact only underwater soil. Underwater soil is wrong. It has contact with air, it has contact with soil, it has contact with water. Why? Because it is a plant with rooted nature and floating leaves. Rooted plants with floating leaves is the example of Nymphea. Tribulus is a drought evading xerophyte is wrong. Tribulus is not drought evading, it is drought avoiding. Xerophytes are divided into 3 categories. One is ephemerals, the other succulents, non-succulents. Ephemerals are short living. These are also called drought avoiders or drought escapers. Drought avoiders or drought escapers. For this, the example Tribulus comes. Succulents are called drought evaders. Drought evaders. Non-succulents are called true xerophytes. True xerophytes. So, ephemerals are drought avoiders or drought evaders or drought this one. So, Tribulus is a drought evading xerophyte is the correct statement. Remaining 3 are wrong. Only correct statement regarding here is Tribulus is drought evading. Drought evading is drought escaping or Tribulus. Then drought avoiding is succulents. They store water as mucilage and use it during unfavorable conditions. This is a matching column. Plant type modification. Pistia, free floating plant, rosette of leaves is correct. Ranunculus, amphibious plants, heterophily, presence of 2 different types of leaves in the same plant is correct. Trapa, suspended, peltate leaves. In Trapa, you don't find peltate leaves. What is a peltate leaf? A long petiole present on ventral side almost at the center is called peltate leaf. These peltate leaves are found in Nymphea and Nelumbium, not in Trapa. So, Trapa, suspended hydrophyte. Trapa is not a suspended hydrophyte, it is a free floating hydrophyte, and peltate leaves is wrong. So, Trapa combination of suspended and peltate leaves is wrong. Potamogeton, submerged plant, long and linear leaves is correct. So, Pistia, free floating plant, rosette of leaves is correct. Ranunculus, Sagittaria, Ranunculus, Limnophila are the 3 amphibious plants. So, Ranunculus, amphibious plant, heterophily is correct. Trapa, suspended plant, peltate leaves is wrong. Potamogeton, submerged plant, long and linear leaves is correct. So, the correct combination is 1, 2, 4.